What's up guys, and welcome to another Yu-Gi-Oh video. So today's not gonna be a Duel Links video, but a little tip for me to those of you who are new to playing the real life card game itself, or if you're actually already a seasoned veteran. So this is just a little reminder or tip for you when you shuffle your deck. So without further ado, let's begin. So on screen right now you should be able to see two decks. The one on the left with the red sleeves is a single layer sleeve that's actually just a normal cheap sleeve. You can buy it for $5 in any of your local store or at a dollar shop really. On the right you see a blue layered sleeve with a second layer transparent protective sleeve, which is actually recommended for most players. And now let's get right into it. So now I'm taking the first deck, and you see it's only one layer. And now I'll shuffle it. This is the common way to shuffle most decks, but this is not a way I would recommend to most players as well. It's not recommended because if you're using a single layer deck, you'll actually damage the top part of the sleeve because there's no protective layer to prevent any damage to the top part. Because once you keep doing that and then it gets more damage, it'll become loose. And when it does become loose, it's gonna be harder to shuffle. So as you can see, I'm trying out the 90-degree angle. Oops, sorry. This method is actually quite common among most players nowadays because it's a easier and smoother way to shuffle your deck. See how much I'm struggling with first layer sleeve deck? Yeah, that's actually quite common because the sleeves are not as smooth as everyone thought it would be. But however, on the deck to the right, it has a protective layer, and see how smooth the movements are. It's actually smoother and much more enjoyable to shuffle. The cards just slide right in there easily. Not a problem. You can also attempt the regular shuffling method. So this is you see it's very smooth. It's so relaxing. It's so satisfying, to be honest. The smoother the cards are, it's easier for you to shuffle your deck and also enjoy the game. Got you. Next up, the table shuffle. So the table shuffle, also known as the power shuffle in most European and American terms, this method is, you can see it in most like casinos or in like different other methods of deck shuffling. This is quite thorough way to shuffle out your deck properly and to prevent breaking, in the sense that most of your cards are actually different upon layer upon layer. So once you're actually done, stack it on top, give it a nice push to even it out. And as you can see, the top and bottom part, the bottom part is where you slide your card in. If you're the type to tap your deck on the table, use the top part. Give it a light tap, make sure the card and the deck is all even, then you're good to go. You can also use traditional ways of shuffling, different other ways, the normal shuffle or the 90-degree angle shuffle like I've shown below. And with that, I'd like to end the video. I hope this video helps for those of you who are like new to the game or have yet to learn proper ways of shuffling. By shuffling, the 90-degree angle one is actually difficult at first, but with time and practice you'll get over it easily. And also, if you want to play any card games, this is also good. I do recommend using two-layer sleeves. Two-layer sleeves is a good way to protect the cards inside and your sleeves, especially if you're using those expensive anime girl sleeves. With that, I'd like to say goodbye, and also thank you for watching. So, peace.